Every family has those cherished recipes that transport us back to our childhood, filling our hearts with warmth and our tummies with joy. Today, let's embark on a journey down the memory lane with a timeless favorite, the peanut laddu or the Palli Laddoo. All we need are some simple, clean ingredients like peanuts, sesame seeds, coconut, cardamom, jaggery, water, and ghee to make these traditional protein filled sweet treats. For those who follow a low carb lifestyle, please replace the jaggery with xylitol and a teaspoon of xanthan gum to make them keto-licious. I'll be giving the links in the description for where to buy them. As the kitchen is filled with laughter and the sweet aroma of jaggery, every step of making peanut laddus became a cherished memory for me. Through the years, peanut laddus remained a constant companion symbolizing love, comfort, and tradition. And so, with each bite, we not only savor the sweet taste of peanut laddus but also the precious memories they hold. Because in every laddu, there's a story waiting to be told. But wait, the best part is yet to come, the amazing taste. They are really delicious. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the flavors of childhood. Until next time, happy cooking and happy sugar swapping.